Welcome students to the final lesson, lesson number 9. It's the final one for the first level. Remember we said there's 3 levels, this is level 1, piece 9, and this is the final one we're doing. I hope you're enjoying this, and I hope you're taking your time on it, and not taking too much time on it. Like if we want to start with normal lessons again, I'm gonna throw the stuff at you, and we're gonna play it together in class on the drums with click. So let's get into it. Reads very easy from start to there, and then the last line gets repeated 3 times. We know it because of the repeat signs. If this was not there, we would have played it 2 times. The bottom line. So if you see that, it always means 2 times. You just play it and play it again and you're done. But they wrote 3 times or times 3. So the bottom line, we're going to play 3 times. So let's start with the bottom line on this one. We see there's all that little arrows. So remember the arrows we said or the accents is what we call it, is louder than the rest. And all of this is clicks. So it's very loud clicks. That was now bar 11 and 12. But you don't have to do that because one, if you don't want to damage your sticks or to put little dents on it, then you can play normally. And your ears, if you click like this or clap very loud, it's hard. Loud, not hard. So yeah, you don't have to focus on that as much. For now, we're just focusing on the reading, the notes. We're not looking at the dynamics, MP, F, and the accents, MP. We don't do that now. Later, some of the exam students already know what that means. That you can do it, you can practice it like that. But for the rest of us, we're just looking at the parts and memorizing or playing the parts properly. Later on, as we get better and better, we're gonna put in the dynamics and the accents. I think level three is gonna be full of accents. Then we're gonna do them a bit, because then you're a bit better already. If you can play level 1 and 2 all 18 pieces or 19 pieces. But before we get to that we just play the normal part. Okay, so let's explain. Bar 1 and 2 is exactly the same. 4, 4. Let me just put this off, it's very loud. So 4, 4. Or in other words, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 8th note, 8th note, rest, rest. Then 2 bars rest. So there what I want you to do is follow along with your eyes. Don't watch the sky or quickly watch your phone or what time is it now. Focus and play on the rest with your eyes so that you not get confused. Same here. 10 and then 11. So that one is going to be quick. Although there's a space, remember it's 4 and 1. So it's not evenly spaced like those 3, but it still means the speed is evenly placed. So if we're going to play it, it's going to be, because remember the next click is going to be there. So click, 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 click. Then it's 4. So 3, 3, 4. And then that whole line is played twice. So here we go. Let's listen to the CD. Then you follow along with all the rest. Again. Last one. Okay, so that is the final lesson. Go to the play along now, play it at 60, 90, 120 and see if you can do 150 as well, especially with the top one. Try to get your singles very even. Another thing I can tell you is to keep your hands low. I never told you before in the previous lessons with the 16s. Don't play loud and hard or loud and high strokes. Keep it low. Keep your wrists very still or quiet. So don't play a lot with your arms. Play like that. You see in the video as me, if you watch me play, my shoulders are quiet the whole time, elbows are quiet the whole time, all in the wrist, especially when you go to the quick. Stuff like that. You keep it quiet. I don't know if you can see my wrist now. I think you can. But yeah, a lot of fingers and a lot of wrists, not arms. Otherwise you're gonna break stuff. Okay, but we already had that speech. So enjoy the last one, the last play along, and I'll see you for level 2 next week. I think this is enough for this week. Today is, what is today? Wednesday, the 30th. So nothing more to say about that. Enjoy it, and I'll see you on the next one.